Is that really saying?
Yes.
Is it really?
Yes.
Culturally, this is starting to make a lot of sense now. Right.
Oh yeah.
Yes. Children. Listen up, children. Did you get it?
Is it gonna do with a moment that doesn't die?
Sing along.
Come on. You know exactly what I mean by it.
We
What?
use this out, okay? I'll do that. Okay, but I still like the method of calculating
Hold
the
on.
uncertainty is the residual thing, and that's right.
What we did in the class, yeah.
So that's it. And the only uncertainty is the uncertainty of the mass. That's it.
That's critical. What you want is the mass plus the uncertainty, and you want the true mass to be within that interval.
Okay, and the mass is the mass of the entire system, not the volume.
Right, what's our next vectors lesson? Yes, Lee.
I just want to ask you, the last topic, the further shape.
Yes. Yes.
I did some questions, but
The answer's different.
yeah,
Bad teacher or bad student.
like in one part, I don't know what I did maybe wrong.
There is a special day in the week, a very important day, a holy day, a day where we do questions in math.
Yes, it will be kept inside my.
I know, but be strong, because on Friday we can do it, if you remember to ask me. And if you forget, you'll have to wait until next Friday. Yes. So last time we were doing position vectors.
We start.
We're in the middle of doing it. Was I in the middle of doing an example? Yes.
Only did the origin to this.
Did I do the AB rule? I think I did.
Yes, you did.
So what was the very last thing I did?
AB is equal to B minus A.
That was literally the last thing. The triangle law. Super, so that means I have some examples to do. Great. So let me start by doing this. Why not? Might as well do the first one here as an example. So can you write that down and then I will do it. Now Faisal, remember a deal. So I want you to write this question one down, please.
What if we all work and Faisal doesn't work?
You can order place.
That's why then.
Oh.
Are you still talking? Let's talk in more maxim. I want you to write this down. B.
And the drop there is
Oh, correct. It fell off. That there should be B, of course. Yes, obviously, B should be here. And that's important too. A is 3 times the length of C.
So is it really a process?
No, come on. Give me a break. You know it's not. You know what a joke is, don't you?
Yes, I was a little bit confused. Yeah.
That's 42.
Do you ever watch that terrible TV show Lost?
No. I I wanna watch it.
Don't.
Don't.
No?
Don't. But there's a list of numbers in it that keep appearing everywhere. This will be your life now. You'll turn 42. There it is again. Right. First part, did you draw that?
No.
No, okay. Well, we'll do these together. I want everything in terms of A and D. So we have A here, M here, come on dudes, there we go, that's a B, and then that goes here, and then that goes to here, and then this is a D, this is a C, N is in the middle here, M is there, and O is here. And we are looking for vectors to be represented as a sum of, I think I said A and D, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So let me just highlight those to help us focus. There's A. And then there's D. Lovely.
Yeah.
Right. First one is B. B is OB. So what can I do here for OB? Oh, and if it's helpful to know, this is the same as this. This is the same as this. What else is the same? This here. That splits it in two as well. And I said here that A is 3 times the length of B. C, thank you. Okay, back to the question. So OB, what could I say?
Minus B. No, just B.
Well, OB is the same as DO. DO, yeah. Which is minus
D.
OD, yep, which is minus D. Very good. Okay, number 2. C. What do you reckon about C? Similar to B.
Minus 1.
Yep.
1/3.
Yep.
A.
Yes. Because it's the same as the A factor, but flipped around and 3 times smaller. Very good. Okay. Now we're talking. BC.
Isn't it supposed to be -1/4?
Yeah.
No.
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 A is 3 times.
I know why you're thinking that, but it's not like what we did last time, because this is 1/3 of this. So you need to take this, divide it by 3 and flip it around. Yeah? Okay, what about BC? Say again? Yeah, basically C minus B, using the triangle rule from the last time. So this will be 1/3 A plus D. Now this is where it gets interesting, because you wouldn't have easily seen that to begin with. But anyways, next one.
So you have -1/3.
Whoops. Like this? Okay. Yeah? 4 or D. M. It's a half BA. That's no, it's not. Sorry, that's a lie. M is OA plus
Minus B.
a half AB. Yeah?
Isn't it minus the...
Yeah, I'm not finished yet. Yeah. No. Is A okay? Yes. Is AB okay? No. That's a half B minus a half A. Why is it not okay? Well, we only want A and D, so we have to change this B here. Well, that's convenient because we have a result from the first part for what B is. A minus a half A is a half A, and a half B is the same as minus a half D. Finally, N. I think I'll say N is OD plus a half DC. OD plus a half DC, which is D plus a half C minus a half D, as usual triangle rule here. That's a half D plus a half C, and we have C from earlier. So that'll be minus a sixth A for the half C. And finally, what I forgot to include, but I wanted you to do.
how is... how is it minus half the...
Here,
Yeah.
here's a half B. And what did I say B was?
Yeah. But why is it a half B?
Because it was a half B previously. And why was it a half B?
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So there's like a D and then...
M is OA plus a half AB.
Why don't you just go down and then left?
Fine. OB plus a half BA. Correct?
Yeah.
You get the same answer in the end.
B minus half A. That's what he's thinking.
B plus a half A
Yeah.
minus a half B,
Yeah.
which is a half A plus a half B, which is a half A minus a half D. What? It's the same. Who would have thought it? Certainly not me. What's wrong? I just did it the way you wanted me to, and I got the same answer.
Yeah, but then isn't it...
Oh, you have a third way for me to do it. What?
OB and then BM.
Ay caramba. OB plus BM. And what's BM? Half AB.
Half. Oh.
Come on, dude.
A is not AB.
Last one, which I didn't write, but I wanted to do, is MN. Yeah. N minus M, which will be a half D minus a 6A minus a half A plus a half D. So what's that? 3 minus 2/3? No. Minus 5/6A plus D is the final answer here.
Shouldn't this be M minus M?
It,
Yeah, it's MN, so it has to start from M.
this is right, isn't it? AB is B minus A.
Yes. Okay.
Are you mixing up your M's and N's again? They're so similar.
M.
Is it? Yeah, sorry. That's minus 2/3. A plus D. Thank you, Lee. Was Fuang in earlier today?
Do you like the cake?
It's tasty. You had your slice?
Yeah, it was nice.
Looking forward to Sunday?
Very
And the Ramadan?
Sunday, God is going down, something I was left on the other, never mind.
What? No holding hands in class, please.
Might
We'll do this later.
It might be on Saturday, I think. It's Saturday or Sunday.
Okay. Did you write this down? Yeah? Okay. I can go to the next one? Nice. Okay. Now it's your turn. Try this one.
Could you go back for a second?
Oh, yeah, he is dying here.
Okay, done.
Lots of thinking, not much writing. Faisal, got it done?
Hey,
Okay. What about B?
I'm not sure. Okay, let's go.
Hang on. Maybe other people are in the middle again the right answer. Yusuf, what part are you on? Did you get A and B successfully? Good. Which one? In the middle of... Yes. Faisal, how far do you think you got in this? For example, do you think you got the W?
I have a method, I'm not sure if it will work.
Andrew? What about your buddy Lee? Is he doing some mad Chinese stuff there?
No.
No. Making his own question. He's gone beyond the workbook. Right, let's have a look here. Z. Well, that's OZ. So what can we say about OZ? Well, we could say it's the same as XY. Couldn't we? So we can happily say, why can I say Z is the same as XY? Why?
Because it's parallel.
Because it's a...
Why can't we win?
Why can we say XY is the same as OZ?
Because they're parallel.
Because it's a...
Parallelogram.
The word, thank you. It's a parallelogram. Yep.
I mean the same thing.
What now? So they are not the same? Huh?
See what you're doing?
XY is the same as OZ.
Okay, so this is...
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's a parallelogram. Whoa, freak out. Right. Now, what about W?
Okay, it's X first.
Yeah, we'll go with X first. And then what?
And then 1/5 XW.
Oh, no, two mistakes there.
5
No.
6.
No, getting closer.
1/6
Yes.
XW.
No.
No. XW.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, what is it?
So...
What is XZ? Excellent question. It's 1/6Z minus
Oh.
1/6X.
And then just X what?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, your face. So,
Okay, this.
what's that? It's only your
For
teacher
Z.
asked you a question a moment ago for Z. So it is 5/6X plus 1/6Y minus 1/6X. That's 2/3 X plus 1/6Y. I'm so sneaky giving you questions that lead into the next question. So sneaky. Classic maths move. Right, next part. So what do we reckon now about M? Yeah. M?
We start with X again. Or we can start with Y.
We have W. So it's
OW and
W
then WY.
and then WY.
Say again?
OW and then WY.
OW?
and then WY.
Yeah, M is OW plus a half WY. So W plus a half WY. Now that's good because we know W.
Why?
A half Y plus a half W. And you know W.
And we know W. So that's 1/3 X plus 1/12 Y plus a half Y. 1/3 X plus 7/12 Y. There's no way you would have gotten this by itself at the beginning. You know, if I just said find M, it would have been too hard. You needed me to give you those two stepping stone parts. a third x plus 7/12 y. You would never have guessed that at the start. So that was A, E, C. Okay. Please write that down. What's wrong, Lee? Wow. Okay. Glad I helped. Did you write this down? Yusuf, did you get all of these, or yeah? Okay, continue. Yeah. No. Did Fawon send anyone a message today? Yeah. So what's up? She's sick? Huh? At least I have one student who cares about the lab report. Alright, yeah.
No one's going to be surprised if I don't show up.
What about Omar? Okay. That makes more sense. Okay, continue. It is a bit, maybe a bit too juicy. I don't think you can handle all that juice. Right.
Think again. What question?
Number 3.
Okay, Lee. Where is the question? What do you want?
These 3.
I mean, put them nicely.
Let's go with it.
Draw. You're making big claims. What's that Americanism? Oh, what's it? Something like your mouth is making claims, your wallet can't. Oh, what's it? No, I'll have to think about it.
Look, you can't see it, make it fly.
You can.
I thought the last one was a bit hard.
No, I mean, like, right there is the book.
Have you drawn it?
Yeah.
Notice how T, N, and M are all midpoints.
They're all small letters. For some reason.
Yes.
Lines are written in small points. Angles are written in big letters.
Yeah, I suppose. What else? Did you draw that?
Oh.
Who said no?
Down.
You have that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now time for questions.
Express T in terms of
Actually, I think I made this question easier than last year. I must have deleted it because it was too juicy that I must have killed someone. So the first one is get T in terms of AB. Finished?
Yes.
Okay, what's T in terms of AB? Let's see. T is OT, which is a half B. Correct, a half B.
What is it?
What about M?
Wait. M.
Oh, that's easy too.
Yeah, it's B, half B.
It's B plus a half BA. Oh, and then, okay, I lied. This question wasn't juicy. In fact, it's boring.
I got up from my resting position.
Yes, you did.
What is third?
Right, so there's your juicy one now. In the diagram below, PT is X times QP. Likewise, BT is Y times B. Find the value of X and Y. Now we're talking, yes, okay. We'll do this, and then we'll look at physics. And you can see in the diagram the two vectors are the same length, PB and PA. And also Q is 4 times the length of QA. Oh wait, no, there's a typo, I'm sure of it. Obviously, I meant to type P here, because I'm talking about the same vector. Just change that to a P.
Well, I don't see any X's in Y.
Exactly. That's what it's defined. Oh man, maybe I made this one too hard. Let me add to my to-do list to fix my vector position worksheet. Fix vector worksheet on position. Yes.
Change that to what?
P. What's highlighted?
Yeah.
This is PT. Does that not help?
So PP is X times the vector PP.
Hang on. Fix vector $1 million if you can get it. Million Zimbabwe dollars if you can get it. Position. Yeah, I don't know if I made it so difficult. I'm not sure that even I could solve it. I've made a question so hard that I can't solve it. Let's see what
No,
happens.
wait. I think it's the other way around. I think it's too easy that we're not seeing something. No, it's real. Isn't that like similar to triangles?
Your classmates are not impressed by your attitude.
No, but I just asking you.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Similar triangles, no?
I don't know. I haven't really thought about it yet. Let's try it. Alright, okay, fine. Fine. I'll leave this here for you when you want to present your answers in class. I upgraded my phone.
Oh, really?
I used to only be able to send emails, but now I can send and receive them.
Oh no, you received them last week.
Yes, I fixed it last week. And it checks my inbox every 30 minutes.
What's the next step? Turn the phone into a touch screen?
No.
I hope your phone stops working.
Leave me alone. I back my phone up onto my computer, so even if I have to replace it, I can still get everything back. So there. Mr. Similar Triangles, have you got the answer yet?
If you're gonna replace it, are you gonna replace it with the same phone?
Yes.
At least get a Nokia, like a Lumia.
What does that say? Look at the faded
A
ink.
Microsoft Nokia.
I'm sure Windows NT is what's running behind the background in this. Or might it possibly be DOS? I'm not sure.
No, a proper touch smartphone Nokia.
I'll make it my goal in life to get your smartphone.
Look, I can check bus times. Look.
Do you pay for the service,
What service?
like the internet package?
On this? They give me a gigabyte free with my top up. I'm like, that's more than enough. Because I use like 50 kilobytes when I send a picture in an email.
How much do you top up with?
€9 a month.
Are you on free?
Lycra Mobile. Yeah, those cheap guys. They give me a whole gigabyte of data a month, right? One full gigabyte, and 300 minutes and 300 texts.
I get unlimited data, unlimited text.
It's €9 a month. Why pay 20 when you can pay 9?
For 11 extra euros and all the extra things, your 1 gigabyte is enough.
Yeah, but I don't need more than a gigabyte.
Yeah. But like,
Do you know how big those web pages are? Like 5 kilobytes.
comparing to the value that we get, we're paying too much.
No,
We pay 20, he gets unlimited. I get 20 gigabytes.
but I don't want unlimited.
Yeah, but you're paying
I think you can get
1 gigabyte is less worth.
For €5,
less value.
I think you can get.
But what's the point in paying for more if I don't use it all? You know, it's like,
No, I'm saying you're paying too much for 1 gigabyte. That's what I'm saying.
but they're the only people that will sell me a gigabyte.
They do sell you for €5 a giga.
Yeah,
Yeah, so why don't you get that?
€5 for a gigabyte.
Yeah.
But then I don't have calls or texts. Trust me, I put a lot of effort into trying to be cheap, and this is the cheapest I can be. €9, not 10.
Do
9.
your calls exceed 300 minutes a month?
No,
No.
neither do my texts.
So €9 a month.
Yes. Now, Mr. Triangle, I'm going to delete this question because I'm not sure if there's a typo in it. Or would you like me to try it?
Can we try?
All right, let's see what we can do.
To see you fail.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's important to see your teacher fail so that you understand that he is human like the rest of you.
I've seen that.
It's happened already. That's not news. We saw that ages ago. Faisal, stop whatever you're doing with the projector. It doesn't like it, okay? Right, you distracted me. O, B, T.
Oh my god, you look perfect.
That's Nicki Minaj, isn't it?
No.
Yeah, the tune sheet. Little Wayne.
That's MC Hammer.
It is not MC Hammer.
Yes. Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt.
They ripped off MC Hammer.
No, that is how it's spelled.
Oh no, please, I don't want to hear MC
No,
Hammer.
Lil Wayne does the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah, that's why he took it from MC
Yeah,
Hammer.
that's what I mean, ripped them
Oh,
off.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Now please do not play that, Faisal. It is inappropriate.
It's okay, phone's not there.
Oh, uses today think are 1,
What?
117.
No.
What do you mean no? Yeah. You can lie
Maybe
to boys, but not to us.
Don't think you can like to go.
So do you go into bars with like your fake glasses and mustache on? Hello. Please let me in.
Oh my God, Becky, look at her butt. It is so big.
Okay. Oh, that's the intro for this song. I've learned something
I
today.
thought that was Anaconda too.
Faisal,
They sold that for Anaconda.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Now can we get back to the question? PT,
Didn't know this code?
Faisal. We're not all as culturally aware as you are, so please forgive us. PT is
It's
X
okay.
times QP and also Y times B.
Yeah, I started like this also.
You did?
Oh yeah.
QP.
Thanks, Kathy. What about you, Yusuf?
PT is
Okay.
QP.
Look, please. PT. Right, what can we say about PT? I do want to have a Q in it, so I don't mind going this way. So that would be PQ plus QO. What will we do next? Yeah, it's okay to have the B in it. OB plus, what letter's here in the corner? A? I don't like that. Plus B, wait, I'm lost. I'm only trying to get the T, haven't I? PT is PQ plus QO plus OT. Alright, happy so far with that bit? Guys, please.
Yeah.
This is minus QP minus Q plus T. I think the only problem really,
How's it minus Q? Oh,
I
okay.
could- yeah.
Okay, I got you.
okay, what about the T? Well, we could say the T is, guys, we could say the T, do I tell you how big this is?
No.
I don't. Q is 4 times the length of QA.
Maybe we should have taken another direction.
Possibly.
QAT.
For PT, QA to T.
Oh, no.
No, I don't see what's wrong with that. Why won't? Who said no?
Okay.
QPAT.
Okay, Mitch.
What? What is that?
The T is OQ plus QT. Please, this requires so much concentration. Minus QP minus Q plus Q plus QT. Now, do I know anything about Q and T?
So like me.
Psi Q to T. That's Q to A. Guys, I think the lack of water is making you go crazy or something. Q to T. Yeah, no, sorry, I made this question way too hard.
I would have done it if I wasn't passing.
What?
I would have been able to do it if I wasn't passing.
Yeah. You just keep saying that to yourself. Right, well anyways, that is, I promise you,
It's okay, Steve.
much more difficult than what you need on the exam. No, like, you don't understand, this is my book, so if I just go, what question 5? Did you ever read that book, Big Brother? 1984.
I can explore Big Brother.
Sorry, the book's called 1984, it's about
Big Brother.
Big Brother. Do you know this one?
I know the term.
Yes?
Yeah.
Government has complete control and can change the information, and then everyone must accept that's true. So this worksheet only has 4 questions on it. There's 1 to 4. That's all.
I have evidence.
No, you see, the government is the only one with the truth. You do not have anything.
Screenshot, quick.
Has anybody read that book? 1984. No?
Ask me what books I have read.
Have you read 1984?
Have you read any book?
Yes,
At
I
the
used to
start-
read a lot.
At the start of the movie, because there's a movie as well, they cut the chocolate rations from 25 grams to 20 grams. Then every newspaper changes its past headline so that in the past it said the rations were 15 grams only. And then the headline for tomorrow's paper is rations increase from 15 to 20. And everybody has to act like that's the truth, because if you start to act suspiciously, then government officials will come and take you away. So at the start everyone's like, oh, did you hear the good news? They've increased the rations to 20 grams. Like, oh, yes. All hail Big Brother. It's really good. I recommend reading it. Or watching the movie if you don't like to read. Nobody seen it? Or watched it? Read it? Do you know the author, George Orwell?
1984?
Yes. I think he wrote it in like 1954 or something like that. Depending on your political background, you will like it or not like it. If you like totalitarian governments,
Probably.
then you probably won't like it.
No, probably
Yeah.
all like it.
Or like it, depending on who you're rooting
Coming
for in the
from
movie.
our background.
Come on, Big Brother, kill those citizens. Right.